am very happy.
Wow, thank you. Are you ready now to our lesson?
Let's go.
Okay. So I just want to check, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Great. Thank you. And today we will start Unit 6, Dinner Time, Lesson 1. Before we go into our lesson, I just want to talk with you first. So, Cece, what did you eat for dinner today?
I ate rice and cooking.
Teacher, also I ate rice and fish. Cece, do you like cooking?
Yes.
Wow. I like cooking.
I love cooking.
All right, so now, thank you for sharing. Let's begin our lessons. We will learn vocabulary and sentences about food and dinner. Look, Cece, this is a cafeteria. So let's name what we can see, okay? We can see our students. I can see apples. Cece, what food do you see in the picture?
I
Next, what
see
else?
cakes.
Very good. What else?
I see bananas.
Very good. What else?
I see apple.
Very good. What else?
I see ice cream.
Yes. Very good. What else?
I see chocolate. Uh,
Chocolate. Very good.
chocolate.
So, what is the girl holding, Cece? You can say she is holding a hamburger. Say,
See hamburger.
yes. And you can say she is holding a banana. Say, she is
See
holding.
a banana.
And what else she holding? Come on. She is holding.
Ice cream.
Very good. She is holding an ice cream. What else she holding?
She apple.
So, Cece, so if you were in the cafeteria, Cece, what would you choose?
Two apple.
Very good. Thank you. All right, next slide. So let's look the picture again. What food do you like again?
I like banana. Apple.
Very good. Next slide. So let's look at the picture. Cece, the girl is asking, where are dad and mom? All right. So the dad says, I'm in the kitchen. Cece, who is asking the question?
That's it.
The girl. Very good. And what is the man saying, Cece?
And the kitchen.
Very good. Next slide. Oh, Cece, look at the picture. There are so many things in the kitchen, right? So the girl says, there are so many things in the kitchen. And the boy says, Dad, what will we eat for dinner? What are the girls say? Read.
There are so many things in the kitchen.
Very good. And what are the boy says?
That what will we eat for dinner?
Okay. All right. So, Cece, what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the kitchen? Okay, let me guide you, okay? I can
I,
see rice because I love rice. I can see a cake. I can see a chicken.
I
I can see a bread. I can see a water. All right. Cece, who is cooking?
did
Very good, Cece. Next one. So, let's look at the picture, Cece. There are some foods and drinks we can eat for dinner. Say juice.
juice,
Read this one.
rice, chips,
Water.
water, egg, milk, bread, chicken,
So let's matching game. What is this, Cece? Read this one. Cheese.
chips,
This one.
rice,
This one.
milk, chicken,
Number 5.
eggs,
Number 6.
water,
Number 7.
juice,
8.
rice,